Oh, hey, Romeo, where art thou, Romeo? Hey, guys, I'm here at the Stu Sales Team's brand new listing, and I am so pumped to bring this listing to market. This is such a remarkable opportunity for you to get into the market, collect rent, pay for your mortgage, or you could just rent it out because the rents here are amazing. This property is stunning. We have a gorgeous one-bedroom open concept basement apartment. On the main floor, we have another super cool one-bedroom apartment, all upgraded, all done, all new floors, newer appliances. And then, you know, the crazy thing, if you want to collect money in the basement and collect money in the main floor, you could live up here on this gorgeous brand new deck, built with permits, built solid, with an exit, and you can live upstairs because you got 2 floors, 3 bedrooms, gorgeous bathroom, gorgeous kitchen, gorgeous living room, gorgeous appliances, and you have 2-car parking, and you're in one of the coolest areas of the city. The Galleria Mall is almost done. New mall, new community center, new park, new towers. You know what? You walk out your door, 5 minutes you're on the up, then you're on a plane, then you're in Paris. You can be on a plane and out of this country in 5 minutes. The up is right there. We have cool little cafes and shops at Bloor and Lansdowne, and at Wallace and Lansdowne, Donna's coffee shop, Brewery. I could go on and go on. This place rocks. So go to StuSales.ca, see all the photos, the videos, and give me Stu a call for a personal tour.